Good morning, guys. Today, let's take a trip from the South East Suburbs going to the mighty MCG. So, if you're staying anyway on the line from Pakenham or Narre or Dandenong or Springvale or Clayton, you can catch the train on any of these Southeast suburbs, but you'll have to get down right in Richmond Station. So, once you get down in Richmond Station, it is clearly shown the way to the MCG. So follow the signs and it will take you straight to the mighty MCG ground. So before you go on to the MCG, I'd like to tell you something about entry. Once you scan your tickets and enter the ground, there are people who will show you to your seats. You can ask any of the customer care people who are there. They will show you exactly where to go to your seats, and there are plenty of entertainment if you're not watching the match too. Like you can go to the bars or the small cafes and have your coffee, tea, or any other snacks you want. But mainly, before you enter the stadium, you are not allowed to take any professional cameras or tripods or selfie sticks because it is against the rules of the MCG ground. You can carry your own food like snacks and go into the ground. That is allowed, but you cannot take any soft drinks or bottled water. That you'll have to buy in the ground itself. And also there are a lot of stuff to do, like you can buy souvenirs from the souvenir shop at the MCG. So all in all, it's a really wonderful place to visit on your trip to Melbourne, Australia.